Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Oracle by Sage. This falls in the category of a super automatic machine, however it still allows you all the control as a regular manual machine, which is amazing. I've had this machine for about 2 years now, and it's been a long and lengthy process getting here. I've had other machines in the past. I've had the single groups, I've had the proper super automatics where you press a button, but the journey's brought me here to Sage, and this is a machine that I've had and I've liked and I've got absolutely no intention of getting rid of. Some of the features I love about this machine are just the automation and the control that it allows you. What I mean by that is the machines I've had in the past, you press a button and the machine takes care of everything and you get very little in the way of user input. With the Oracle, it's different. You get to control the grind size properly, you get to control the temperature, you get to control the frothiness of the milk, absolutely everything. It's just been so well thought out. When you buy this machine, it also comes with a white glove service. A guy will come to your house, set the machine up, dial it in, drink a couple of shots with you and show you how to work it. I picked up a good few tips and tricks off the guy who set up my machine, so it was absolutely brilliant. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the operation of the machine. We're going to make an espresso first, and then we're going to make a milk-based drink. So one of the tips that I've learned about this machine to keep it consistent is to let it preheat. So when you turn it on, give it a good 10-15 minutes, just till it gets up to temperature, and then run an empty shot. So I'm going to make an espresso first. Cup's nice and warm. I'm going to put my cup under, hit the double shot button. There's no coffee in it yet, this is just warming the filter. So the advantage of this is it heats up the group head of the machine, it gives it a bit of a backflush, and also by the time you grind your coffee, it heats the mug. So I'll move that out of the way. Take the group out, give it a quick dry, put it in the grinder, and it's a case of turning the handle. So that's my coffee ground. Take this out, perfectly tamped, perfectly dosed, and just ready to go. Put it in the group, empty my preheated water into the tray, stick the cup under, and hit the double shot button. You're looking for an extraction of coffee appearing between 9 and 12 seconds, and realistically you want about 40 grams of coffee, 45 grams of coffee at the end. So the machine's just finished making the espresso and looks good, nice volume, nice crema, good aroma. When you drink it, lovely balanced shot, very nice. So after you made the espresso, it's a case of cleaning the portafilter. So the portafilter removed, into the knockbox. One of the tips that I got in my white glove service, just hit the double shot button and just give this a clean. Gets rid of all the kind of old coffee grounds, pop it back in, and that saves the seal from anywhere from excess coffee grounds drying out. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a latte using the automated milk system. So again, what I'm going to do is get my cup, run an empty shot through to preheat, and then we'll follow the same process to make an espresso. So my cup's preheated, I'm going to remove the portafilter, I'm going to give it a quick dry, I'm going to stick it in the grinder, I'm going to grind. So my espresso's all set up and ready to go, just ready to press the button. One of the best features about the Oracle is the fact that it's a dual boiler. So while it's making espresso, you can froth milk at the same time. The cheaper machines can't do this, so you end up in a situation where you're making espressos and then you're frothing milk as a separate operation. This is fine when there's only like 1 or 2 people and you're only making 1 or 2 coffees. However, when you've got a group of 3, 4, 5 people, this becomes a bit of a nightmare. You end up with cold espresso, the milk can't keep up, and It's just not a nice process compared to being able to do it at the same time. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. So my milk is set to 65 degrees and it's a couple of steps up just from a latte, and it's as simple as flicking the switch. That's going to start steaming milk. While that's doing that, I'm going to make my espresso shot at the same time. So the machine's just automatically stopped, which means that my milk's at the perfect temperature, it's got the perfect amount of air, and my espresso's been ready for about 10 seconds now. So I'm going to remove this. One of the cool things about this is when you remove the steam one from the milk, you give it a quick wipe, you put it down, and it auto purges. So that saves any clogging, saves the machine getting covered in old milk and generally being horrible. So latte art, as I said, hit and miss. The milk's good enough quality to do it, it's purely down to my skill level. So we bang the bubbles from the espresso shot, give it a swirl. One of the tips I was given, again, during my white glove service, was to swirl the milk until it resembles the consistency of wet paint. So this usually takes about 10-15 seconds to do. Just keep swirling, you'll get used to it. So once that's at that stage, pick up the cup, pick up the milk, you pour from height at the centre and then drop down in a wiggling motion. So I'm pouring from height, swirl to integrate the milk, and then pour in, pour in, pour in, pour in, and finish with a stripe. So that's not too bad an effort today. I've certainly made better, I've certainly made a lot worse. I'm still in my journey for the latte art, but the main thing is the milk's capable of producing latte art, which means the milk is at a really good texture. The espresso is also good. It's just my skill level that's lacking a bit. Overall, taste really creamy, tastes really balanced. It's a really nice latte, exactly what you would get in a good coffee shop. So while I'm enjoying this coffee that I've just made, I'm going to talk about a few other things. The first thing is, with this machine and any coffee machine in general, you need to use fresh coffee. Absolutely need to. It makes such a difference to extraction and the overall taste and the overall coffee experience. So there's a few things that you need to look for. One is a roasted on date on the bag. You'll sometimes get this from coffee suppliers, you sometimes won't. Definitely not in a supermarket. The other way to tell is, if you're unsure, is to actually look at the beans themselves. So if you pick up some of the beans, you'll see these have got a matte exterior rather than shiny and oily. Now the shiny and oily, we've seen in pictures, we've seen it in all the big chains, and the beans look nice and shiny, they look dead pretty. But in reality, that's the oil leaving the bean. So the coffee's not good, the coffee's stale at this point, and it's just not going to produce a good shot, so you're looking for matte beans. I have a bit of trouble where I am. I'm in the southwest coast of Scotland, so I'm pretty far from any coffee roasters, any really good coffee shops, so I have to order my coffee online, which is absolutely fine. It usually works out a bit cheaper than the supermarket as well if you buy enough. I usually buy kilo bags for this machine, as it doses 22.5 grams, so it is a fairly heavy dose, but you know there's coffee in the mug when you're drinking it, you definitely know there's coffee. So when we've got our fresh coffee, we need to know how to set it up in the machine. This is done as part of your white glove service, but it's also handy to know how to do it yourself, because as the beans age, this setting varies slightly and you need to compensate for it. So there's a grind setting on the left hand side of the machine. Fine to coarse, there's about 40 settings, and technically it's a stepless grinder, as there's no actual clicks and steps, which is brilliant because it allows you an analog level of control. There's digital numbering to keep you right, but you can do tweaks in between the digital numbers. Good tip that I found out. So you want to adjust it until you start seeing espresso coming out between 9 and 12 seconds, and you want your shot to last about 30 seconds roughly. If you get that, you're in very good form. I also sometimes weigh mine. It's a 22.5 gram dose, so I generally aim for about 45 grams of coffee. This is a 1 to 2 ratio. It's all down to personal preference. There's different coffees which will take 1 to 3, 1 to 4, all completely personal preference. My personal preference is 1 to 2. So onto the milk side of the machine, you can set multiple parameters here. You can set the milk temperature, you can set the aerations, you can have it more microfoam for a cappuccino, less for a latte. Just balance it out and find something that you like. One of the good things is there's a smiley face on the machine. It alerts you if you're going too high with the temperature because you don't want to risk scalding your milk. It's for pretty low temperature, it's about 65 I use on my latte at, which is drinkable straight away, which is brilliant, no burnt lips, and it's just a great temperature. There's also the option to manually froth your milk, so if you put the machine in the down position, it'll do it automatically. If you put it in the up position, it'll do it manually. It still gives you the temperature readout, but allows you a bit more control, so if you want to try and play with that, then it's there to be played with. So one of the really cool things about this machine is it uses a 58mm portafilter, which means the diameter here is 58mm. This is the same as what you get in your local coffee shop, so it's a commercial size filter. Most of the machines that you get, the home machines, are 54mm, so it gives it less surface area for the water to permeate. It's just a different balance to how you would get in a coffee shop, and that's purely reflected in the taste. One of the biggest tips I've found with this machine, and it's kind of a hack, kind of a tip, when you get the machine, it's said to deliver a shot in 30 seconds. Now, if you've not got your grinder well set up, that 30 seconds can result in a full cup, a really bad coffee, or it can result in a really short cup, a really bad coffee. So it's going to default to 30 seconds. My preferred method is a volumetric method. So to do that, you turn the machine off, you press the single cup button and the power button, and that takes you into the secret menu. Over here, you scroll along here and change volume to flow rather than seconds. Just keep that flow, press OK. Machine turns back on, it's good to go. So this way when you set up your shot, you can set it to the volume you want. If your grind's off a bit, it's just going to add a couple of seconds on, which is pretty good. It's a lot better, in my opinion, than 30 seconds flat, because this will run up to like a minute. The coffee won't be great, but in my opinion the coffee's better than a really short cup or a really long cup. It'll automatically stop, which is absolutely brilliant. You always get the same volume, albeit if it over extracts it's slightly bitter, if it under extracts it's slightly sour, but I would rather have slightly bitter, slightly sour than really bitter or really sour with the time. So within the bottom tray of the machine there's a cool wee compartment. You remove the drip tray, then you've got your tools. It's a great place to put the tools. So in the tool basket there's a spare nozzle, there's a spare rubber seal for behind the nozzle, there's a single basket if you only want single shots, but who wants those? There's a cleaning tool for the nozzle, you can poke the nozzle if it gets blocked. There's a tamper removal tool with a brush for the grind chute. There's a grinder brush for the conical burr grinder on the top. And there's a couple of Allen keys just for removing various things. So these all fit neatly into this tray, which goes inside, so you never ever lose them. So in conclusion, amazing machine. Could not live without it now, literally could not live without it. Every morning, waking up to fresh coffee, it's just a godsend, especially where I live. I'm 50 miles from good coffee, so absolutely love this machine.